welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Monali Sarumbai, brings you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Tribal Artisan Mela will promote the local artisans, says Om Prakash. Maushindrut decides to eradicate drugs and other issues. KSU reprimands the misconduct of BSF in War Jaintia. And Samnin Malangyang surrounded by residents demanding answers. And now the news in detail. The Trifid Ministry of Tribal Affairs Government of India, in collaboration with the Meghalaya Basin Development Unit, Ribhoi District, on the 27th of April, organized a Tribal Artisan Mela, which will showcase the fine crafts of the local artisans. The Tribal Artisan Mela will extend for 2 days in District Library Hall, Nongpo. Artisans from all over Ribhoi had arrived at the Mela to showcase their handicrafts, and witnessing the occasion were Om Prakash, Deputy Manager of Trifid Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Iqbal Hussain, Senior Program Executive of Trifid Regional Office Northeast and NHHDC, Marlam Kupar Kharmudai, District Project Manager of MBDU and its staffs. Speaking to the media persons, Om Prakash, Deputy Manager of Trifid Ministry of Tribal Affairs, praised the talents present in the circle and their handwork for effortlessly make use of their hands to produce fine crafts. He added that the aim of organizing the Mela is to encourage and promote the local talents, and it will assist the handicrafts to be sold outside the state.
Yeah, okay, sir, you just brief us about the program of today.
Actually, I am representative of Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Today, we are organizing Tribal Artisan Mela in our Ribhoi district. Our purpose or objective of this event or Tribal Mela is to identify tribal artisans, tribals, handicraft beneficiary, to select their product and sell identify their product, and also we also identify the beneficiary. Those are engaged in handicraft, weaving, textiles, paintings and others traditional art and culture. We will identify their product, and after identifying their product, we impanel them as a supplier, and having them impaneled, then we will place to them supply order. For remaining beneficiary, those are not get selected, we will impart them training in terms of packing, value additions, and we will facilitate some best trainer for them, so that their product will be selected in second phase, and our team from Trifid is for encouraging to them.
Okay, so what about the beneficiary? Are they getting any support from your department, sir?
Any
support?
They will give support. First we will select their product and we will pay them for their product initially. After selecting their product, we will place them supply order.
Which means you are giving them marketing place.
We will select their product and we will place them order. They will supply in. They will get supply order. They will produce their product in double, triple, and in this way they will get their livelihood and also income generation.
Is this program is held only in Ribhoi or in any other district?
No. This program in all the northeastern region. As the scheme name is PTNER, promoting tribal products, promoting tribal product in northeastern region. This is our vision of our Prime Minister of India, our Minister Sri Arjun Munda ji. He has inaugurated this scheme in Manipur.
After this program, what are your next moves?
Our move is, first we select their product, and then our committee in Trifid identify their products, and after placing them order, we will purchase their product and sell out across the country. We have more.
Due to the abundance of drugs and experienced drug peddlers in Maushinrut region, the Hnyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization Hito Maushinrut Circle on the 27th of April held a meeting with the authorities of the Ryangdo region to brainstorm, discuss and decide on the approach to eradicate drug issues and others. Present and participating in the meeting includes village authorities of Ryangdo region, senior members, young people and others. Apart from the issue of drugs, Hito mentioned other issues like illegal migration and others. After the discussion was done by Hito and the village authorities, the forces decided to work together for maintaining of harmony in the region. The forces are to hold another meeting to produce solutions for the problems.
Meeting hakini gasni hangni Ryangdo apo kane ka original hall jong kasno Ryangdo yang layo benin lang bat ni bon sibon kira ba snong ko bangi layo benin lang hakini kapon ni lekren ni kiti south li agenda ni layo ni lekren sepang ka jingdi bapen buai drugs bat kui jingdi bapen buai te kane ka agenda ni layo benin tai kui nang kirang ba snong bat nilaya koi saka jingya ajmut lang ya kaseng hi berkawai mangine trelang na kementar manrat tengkong khamtam ya kedega jingdi drop kata kedega phang pungsan ngiyo kren engta ka phang ka baar ka ngiyo kren kalong sepang kani ka jing wan rung jong ki barjala sakani ka dong ka thain ka dongi khamtam hisnong ki thau na kaliang ka jongi kirang ba snong nilaya Hai jemut segaseng bagaseng kan ai ka awareness program ban pen mau ki ain jong usim bat ki ain jong council bede baki ain bagi long long slong le se don nak lengi slong ki le atlet bat kem kan mau fi ki ain kita ka de gowe abu ye kren spang ka ain spang ka kamai ka ji ka thai pateng ha kan ke dong ka thai long ban aliang jonga kumu puen ni kirang ba slong la yu ba khambun khamtame kan ke dong ka thai ni hayo salang di wholesaler kila dei ki dikhar bat ki retailer kila dei ki dikhar lihat lagi kasi ki ba simbatai kini ka kam nama ki sanyon balakni no yo hok jong jaj beri kasi ban le kini kam kamai kaji hamtam ke jaka haryang do ngong ba ki wholesaler kila ki dikhar.
On the 27th of April, KSU West Jaintia Hills met with the Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong to request the authority to check the misconduct of the BSF in Amlarem and War Jaintia region. People going in and out the market are frequently bullied by the BSF. Their goods are often taken by them and the people feel threatened instead of feeling safe in their presence. The border areas had become a looting area instead of a secured area for residents residing in border areas and in Bangladesh. The Deputy Chief Minister immediately ordered the Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills to intervene in the matter and to summon the BSF commandant to justify their actions on the complaint filed by the people of War Jaintia regions. In the meantime, Preston Tinsong informed that the PWD had released the work order to repair the Jowai bypass road.
Ki donat li kimat di sini kawai kawai nang kita suruh bypass kabar kadai nang kita kajing pendik dengan BSF sekitar War Jaintia. Di kalau hakapai dai buat suruh bypass kila yo banyak keren banyak dulu jadi kedua kalau masuk tenan pada kalian jong Minister Gubernur Jongi ila ong ba ila isu ya go order buat bentrino yo tu suruh bypass. Dia nak yang jomni ni kentu ya ka office jom deputy chief minister bagi jom por como PWD minister bakin long ke balik ban pen yale ban pen kloi nak ban pentre yang surap nang ba pensuk ya kali kawan jom paiba namar kat kum Jaintia menta neu surap khamtam gi kalirit kim long shu ban yai na gitu kejakan bat lengba jom kane ke jinsneu jom surap kala penkap ni aru ya kasor juai namar gi kali gi badai yai nang to kim long shu ban yai kilayat baik nak kita bisurap ki ban mi sejuai tena kliang jom ni kermat scam ba lengba ke jikular jom minister bodon burom jom ni ba ile no chai nak benta ban petusuk ya upai ba bat kejing pendek jong BSF ngilayo ban yakren bat I minister di marmar ila hukum UTC jong was Jaintia ba un tokit lene bon court meeting bat ban weng no mador ya kini BSF ba syong be ain siapo kayo amlarem namar kumbakalong hi kini BSF ki badan hang to ki pendek ya kalit kawan jong pai ba dah kilet sayaw syahat dah kilet sigi sorjawai an laki lawan kila khanra ya kimar ki mata jong ki kila kni ya kimar ki mata jong ki kira sigi kam jong ki khen bagi dai kimar be ai te nakaliang jong ni penram jur ya kane ke jingle jong kini ki sipai BSF namar ke jinsha kum ki sipai BSF kum ki nong yada yo put usam ki dai bandon sigi jaka khaput te kabalongo balai baki don sekiyew ki hat ki don seki snong ki thau te nakaliang jong ni penram jur ya kane ke jingwan khanra be an jong ki segi jaka ki bom dai hok ban khanra bat ka bok sesi kalom ba ya ki pai jongi ki balai diau le hat menta segi tu ki nagi thain dau ki mok tapur ki de ban yo ya ki jing tho no komandan jong ka to jong ka BSF ki badan ka to company lem kumta ki mar ki mata jong ki ndaki wan na yo na hat ki syakni bat kira syaki kem jong ki te kabal ngo kalom ba hakiput kisam ba kumno pade ki pelailan yang ki khar Bangladesh ki bawan napo Bangladesh ban syong yew syong hat hapo yew dau ki menta hakas yew dau ki dap tang de ki khar Bangladesh ki bawan ban syong dukan be an ha ke yew dau ki te nak liang jongi ni penram jur balai yew dau snam jongi pi pendek bat yakine ki banabar pade pi ailat yaki bakin rong kin mi kat bamon te nak liang keseng ni na mailat dalai leiru ba kini ki baro ki wanja do of nam jongi bat lada kana ki jinga kren jongi kam sai so lamba ka jingkular jongi human minister jongi lada kom urlom ngimban se lada da kano kalat kal tiru banyada yu do of nam la jong na benda ka syok suk syok sai.
On the 27th of April, several residents from Soum constituency demanded its former MLA Samlin Malnyang to clarify on why few residents has not received funds from the SRWP scheme 2018 to 2022. Speaking to media persons, John Wankar claimed that many residents of various villages under Soum constituency has not received funds despite their names appearing in the list of beneficiaries. Wankar exclaimed that, as per the RTI report received on the 12th of July 2022 from the CNRD block office Soum, till date, there are 15 individuals or families from various villages who have not received any funds under the SRWP scheme 2018 to 2022, despite their names appearing in the list of beneficiaries. Wandalin Kongsit, a resident of Karlakhar village, said that her name had appeared in the list to receive rupees 10,000 for the implementation of SRWP scheme, but till date the fund was never accredited to her account, and all beneficiaries of the SRWP scheme 2018 to 2022 was supposed to be given rupees 10,000 to rupees 20,000. Therefore, they demanded explanation on the non-release of funds.
Kabangi day bandio nampak nangurung katung katay subjek lakdaw haneng ngana kaliang uni kanungyo jumtoy badai bandio yakahok naka MLA skill di terpat syafi pinwan jumtip bat yarap lang hak bayday bagi MLA skill kabangi day bandio kumta terpat di bapin yarap lang yang awan jumtip lang halor kening skill kumta kanong suksnong kadai hok banyo banwan jumtip ya kajing toy bana kaliang surka kala tha sanga ini rum kibag soy kita yang kilong inong yo jing toy beneficiary flash bone kibag ipi dai tertang serial number wasanto kiola rani arja apwe apwa madan kita dan serial number rapua jiolin harangai light nomor dai de benyo khasan aja house name arja khatra kenda dan ubah Nesrian nombal basapui rang insai ngurung ba khasan hajar Sinamar hajar khatra khanda nomor pena Sinamar hajar khatra Sinamar hajar khandai atho serial nombal laispa lai Tura tagri menyo spo hajar I Kodrisi Karbani Ita ide menyo Sinam arja khatra khandai atho serial nombal laispa khadar ide bestilian karbonai katagri kepisai banyo spoja harusnya arja arpo arpue lamta ikalmai karbonai yang skim ba shipo wajar harusnya arja khatanda arpo utai sali kar sono yang skim ba shipo wajar harusnya arja arpue arpoa ini nak senang berpena pasau spa andru fulai tisnura khasan nakendong walang ide banyo shipo wajar yakan skim hausnam arja arpo we serial nombor pasau spa andru fulai IT hun kongset kendong walang ide banyo skim shipo wajar hausnam arja arpo we serial nombor basispa arpundrio Jawar ni kendong walang ia skim iwe menyo shipo wajar ane kidon arngon iwe iyo sedang nombak bat kharaspa ande bundai inde idat dari karni kendong walang ini ro ia ju skim ba shipo wajar sunam arja arpoe wa sedang nombak nruspa khasa Ripen syai karmuti mau juga ini hausnam arhaja arpoe apa ini rogade skim baspoja
bede batang ki amle skim kiba jan ki nomsong snoma ki pha ini banwat jintiblam katkum ganika skim kiba ki yo re kempoi skim ni dakajing yarablam bujuni katmanila Habide begini ke Special Rural Work Program SRWP Jongsna marja khatra khandai arpo arpuai bat arpuai arpa bahwa poso yang constituency ini ka RTI ke bangi ngile ni bagi jing betha bagi jing kerpalam jung dinam songsno lale naru por khatri bana benyo arja arpa tikini ki jing ja jung ki skim Sekolah berpau dengan susi ke bakrau, namar ba don tenteng di pandu susnong jungi, kimi kerteng pada seki kampoi. Habide berka UC ru lasomit, ini jingle jong MLA jungi, MLA berem jungi pasamen malnyam. Kalabu ya ki pandu susnong jungi baro, aku umdum kamtam itu di belami kerteng. Te kindiat bang sepule, kakum ganika RTI bangi lale bada jingkar part ka city bagi pha ini ki rio pai ba ki ponglam ini banle ini ka RTI banwa jinti bahagi de bagi ka SRWP scheme ini jingkar part ini semula badalam ini ben pule kini serial number kalam ini kini kita shipoja kawi ka longye idon bayo arpoja Kerkung musnam bi kaya kerkung musnam tingin umla bunong ba kano berkoi kedai tendai kerkung kijingyo jungi perelong labun bi ki ber ki brio apre kini ki list bangi niyo ramdan sikiwe ru ki ba ese kalor gajing kerpa ki pa no sung joga soyong constituency bro we lese laradon kum kita ki ba mi ki kerteng hendrai kimyo apre ki jimentoy nasmo ban tentu ki kin hap ban le mi support ka block office Meluat yang cinta kemudian, limba ke block office kemudian apa soyong CRD block. Teng seluruh mana tempat habidai bat kibor jong kaan balada longkum kini ki bapin thopria ya ka long renyeng jom kibreu ki palami ki kerteng ri kimyo ek jing toy na sgo banong ba kuntu ek bo jo ga tu makin pe bha kum kini kinam dei chu ban jana ko chapo mar ka penura ek jing sule ra ni ki kat ba ki jing tho ki jing tip na ka block office ki la ai shi ki ende ndeling ni pada lambom pat bayar bisa ada penon kam ni giwe ka sgo ga ade ka jing susi ko khaw ke.
On the 26th of April, the Tura Youth Council HYC Maupat Tlongpleng organized an awareness program known as the Comfrey Medical Health Camps on the dangers of early marriage and intimacy, dangers of intoxicating substances and matters related to health and hygiene. 3 doctors including Dr. Irene Wanyang, RBSK, Ranikor CHC, Dr. D. Kharbhi, MHO Maukarwat, CHC, and Dr. Kintiu Nam Maulong shared their valuable insights on drugs, early marriage, and hygiene. They also highlighted the dangers of the 3 and why do we have to avoid them by showing statistics and facts. Apart from the 3 experts present in the camp includes Dr. D. Suting from Maukarwat, CHC, Dr. P. Khadosao, RBSK MO, Ranikor CHC, and Dr. G. Nongsit MO, Ranikor CHC, Minister of Maupat Tlongpleng, Donbok Harlingdo, and the Organizing Secretary, John Lingdo, HYC Women's Wing, and other members.
Kalong haka imlang salang kalong kebeisi ban pede habaya buat ban ya sharom sheneng di kebalai pede ru kalong yaga yo wakot no jong kayeng kasam ka duna no kita kajing yo jingkot jong kayeng kasam bat pasau pade kamat kalong kajing di buat haki kena ki benang kham red mong ki bahapo khat pasnam di kalong kaba dan kam bahai panggani ka ke jing di buat ke penwan haka yeng kasam haka shong haka imlang salang mo di kaba dengkong do ni kwa ban kren ke ris pangka kwat kakhia di haba ubriu di buat katu ke jing di kalong kumno dan batep bedeng jong pi tamangim dan kirang ba dei hang ni di ke jing di buat dengkong ka penlong ka addiction mut kalong ka jing kerni daladi shisia la kwa shikwa dei habala kwa
kani ka jing khoi kadiban yo I shabar tikini ki surrounding jong ka yeng jong pi pimdei ba ki jakhya ki la ami na yeng ngan brat hasura tinga yo sno ba menteri rang ba jong mene yong ba kandan ko competition ki khna ba ki yata mi ki plastic lada nging ya pen khut bhai ka yeng ka sem ngia bu bha ki nyut jong la jong ha yeng ha sem ngin hap thang Ginam berat syabar, balingin hab dia penkut ya kata kesurah. Hendai dia kata ke jing duna jengi, kata ke jing klep jengi ban ong ba. Ngine penkut ya ke yeng kasam, ngine penkut ya ke mariang, ya ke surat, ya ke lenti ke singkin. Tak ke daun tak kami kata ke competition. Tengah ngakermen scam ba. Nadu mentah ke sengi landak kata ke competition. Nyimdai ban yo isu kan kini ki plastik.
With the innumerable number of people blinded by greed of money without toiling the soil with hard work, Shillong had become the hub of various fraudsters who had deceived many with the promise of huge sum of money. The National Tura People Federation addressed the issue to the SP East Khasi Hills, Sylvester Nongtenger, on the 27th of April regarding the deception created by a woman from Assam, Rumi Chaudhary, scamming the people with greed of money. Andreas Nongkenri, president of the association, went to the SP and placed his request to track down the accused and impose punishment according to the law. The SP compiled and promised to take serious action. Meanwhile, he urged the citizens to be wise and not be deceived easily, else the fraudsters will leave us with nothing in the end.
Kami penjelasan di office kalau komplain against the Rumi Chowdhury. Ini ke Rumi Chowdhury kepada ina po katanya sam. Babon nang ni ki para khasi ki jongi prado prasnam ki jongi kilangat bun hakil yang baro. Kilangat hai kajik sak thok hakapisa ya kapaki ki ong. Asilang kinyo saulak sanlang. Lane asilang arlang kinyo kita dah hadu dah aisanlak kinyo kasanlang tadi kapisa kalau enggak exchange note lane kedega bisa kebah pendaklah. Oh jadi kalau kajikan tu kita nomor badan kiba komplain sengi kum kaseng iwan hangne ikuturu imaham ru igi produk prasnan bijongi kiba lagi khasi bakimbet bagi cimet rumah nadu di sosial media pingat di sosial media pingat di beri kiba share ni wan bakimbet kaya ki ban wan yalam ni ki ban ong wan apok asam lani wan atangta hat kisah pok Google Lara pilih kini baro ingat kecik api. Gini ambil kamera hari berbulan tu mesti senam kita larem. Kita balik nak sedien. Ibun kini kita balang fraud. Bawan pada top gini kita. Berkunjuk mentar kini fraud bila ada hang ni pok siang obje jongi ke balang pok asam. Kini nak pok asam kita ipi gin pawan pok asam ban ong. Tuan rak kita pisah dengan IP double triple. Jadi kalau ka duplicate notes. Mau kita top. Bertanya, ada kipi yo makana aku kata kapisa ru la da pipi warna kena perhat pad uduk usuk utu gelas ni baterai nong ni nakadau utu la da uyo itu kapisa dai udu peniat yang ni pok Shillong la da peniat ni pok Shillong gini ki badi waidong gini ki baterai belas ni ki yo itu kapisa la da kira abang kira syamak dak sama nomor yo sudah tenangkan ni kapisa jadi kebun ki ba syong yo ki pelang kisah sempat saja ada yo kita kapisa top terha gini ai bisa kuat dak sauno kimyo si ben kam kan no balong jidu nong ru khantam ya gitu ki babelah khantam gitu ki duk sup dengan penturu ya gini ki bre ki bangan atum kan ka apon ki baju melian ban phone gini ki bre ki baong bawan dengan IP sai pi warak silang dengan IP lailang saulang ya penturu gitu ki businessman lani ki ru pai ba bikin wan cekamat wan ni gendu yang ikum keseng menang mengikum kesengin lah yang beniat cekaman menesim mentah banrat yang tadi gajin senil kat kum gajin keran bu SP mentah loong akal yang gejongi la da piok ono kubuat pertep buat SP berkenang SP untuk piok benle kat kum gajin jintep gejongi gini ki basak thong kila long napo Meghalaya gejongi lane napo Shillong kantam ikasi gejongi kila palat iki hajar ngut nomor 3 kasi jongi ubangot biet banget biet bat ubak let biet are kumi kan gajan tolong rang ba wanum klet biet wanum ngop biet tolong rang ba daknang ba kino ginoro jimpin sai la ne jimpin thame kinum la banwan ban yu roi ikacim jongi
nadu meno kata ka jingjia kata
jadi kalau sedang nadu senam kita lalai ini kalau sedang nadu senam kita lalai nadu kapor ba siapa lockdown kalau ayat yang kena ka mimpi satu kejip ke jongi siki pasti kalau yang kenduk bat wei ya ka bangang ngamla meniku teng kalau yang kenduk you tahu wei uba ju itu bat ni upan ke jingerap nak benta mendirap lem you nomor hafar bu ulai sport asam ulai nak kayap haji sya ulai de man sya niak kata kasi bat ulai sya keni ru kapisa kabadon hau.
The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, on the 27th of April arrived at Tura to inspect on the status of the construction of the convention centre along with the track and field centre located in Tura. The Chief Minister announced that the work is in progress, but the project is expected to be done in a year and a half.
Yeah. In that house. Oh, that house there. You see the red house there? Yeah. I was in that house. Okay. So from there I saw. Yeah. वो ये ओपन है
ये इंडोर है सर
वो इंडोर होगा इसमें
इसके ऊपर स्लैब है ना सर
ओके
ऊपर स्लैब
तो मेन ऑडिटोरियम कहाँ है?
ये ऑडिटोरियम है
ये ना मेन ऑडिटोरियम?
हाँ, ये फूड कोर्ट एरिया सर। ये फूड कोर्ट एरिया से वाइस से स्टेप्स आएगा सर।
You just give me idea. So when are we looking at the track and field part being ready?
The track and field, we still have a lot of work to do, sir. I mean, this also has to go.
Yeah. Actually, this hill has to go through the tree. So we have come here today in Tura to look at the work that's going on for the new convention center, and also the track and field stadium. And we're happy to see the progress of the work. We expect that within the next year and a half, we expect both the stadium as well as the convention center here to be inaugurated. And these two infrastructures will really be a very great blessing for the people of this area, the town and the region as a whole, and the state as a whole, because it'll be a standard that will be at the national level, so we can have different kinds of games and events here in the future. And even the convention center should be able to hold large functions and functions at the state level and national level also in the future here in Tura itself.
ये पूरा यहाँ से मेन एंट्रेंस है।
यहाँ का पिक्चर ऑफ दिस काम चल रहा है, दिखा दो।
इधर जाएंगे सर।
हाँ, वहाँ चलना है।
हाँ सर।
So as you can see, yes, this is going like this, sir, and it's turning there. So that wall has to be completed, and this track and it itself to putting the track itself will.
by December ना ये खत्म हो जाएगा?
सर, एक हम दिसंबर तक आपको 100% खत्म कर देंगे। ये लिफ्ट एरिया सर, इसका लोअर ग्राउंड।
Basically, अच्छा, will we be ready with before Meghalaya games?
No, sir. That's what I said, that it will be so as to not to force this, so it will spoil the first.
So then how will we Vijay? बोला कि इस दिसंबर
ये ब्लैक हो जाएगा, कन्वेंशन हो जाएगा सर।
मुझे बोला कि ये दिसंबर में खुलेंगे, इनॉग्रेशन होगा इसका।
ये कन्वेंशन हो जाएगा सर। वो बिल्डिंग का अभी तक ड्राइंग।
Even to them of the auditorium here. So just look into that, huh? Food court and auditorium. And they are saying that it's going to take 2 years to finish this. 3 years तो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा।
On the 27th of April, Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma headed to Doldegre inspecting the ongoing construction of the Tura Medical College. The updates on the construction was specified by the Chief Minister, in which he exclaimed that the work is going on at a slow pace, falling behind from what was expected. However, it has picked up the pace compared to the previous years. He informed that the college is expected to be completed in 2024 by June or July, and it will be soon operational.
आपको मैनपावर थोड़ा कम है क्योंकि हम लोग दूसरी साइड करते हैं।
You are from
कोलकाता।
नहीं,
सपोर्ट करेंगे।
contractor.
Yes sir।
क्या नंबर आपका?
सर 9085
86
3079
3079. आगे बढ़ जाइए।
शुभोदय। सरकार।
We are here in Doldegre right now to check the work of the Tura Medical College, and of course the work is going at a much slower pace than expected, but it has picked up in the recent past. We are seeing work going on now in full swing, and we expect that the civil work of this section of the phase that is been allotted, we expect that we should be able to complete this by 2024 in the second quarter, end of first quarter, second quarter, which means around June, July, we should be able to see the civil work complete. And in the meantime, the process of also expanding the work in increasing the number of beds in the civil hospital also will start. And at the same time, to ensure that this is managed well, the preparatory works for the management and the running of the particular medical college will also be reviewed, and necessary action will be taken. And I'm hopeful that very soon we should be able to complete this infrastructure and start the medical college also very soon.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.